So I'm going to show you how to download Warframe on your iPhone. So you can actually play that game on your iPhone by just simply going to the Apple App Store, go to the search function and simply search for Warframe. It's now available in the Apple App Store. So here it is. You can find it just like that. And just take note of the size of this app. It's going to need 3.94 gigs on your phone, right? So if you have that space available to you, just go ahead and tap on Get and follow the on-screen instructions to get the app installed. So all you have to do now is just wait for the game to get downloaded and installed on your iPhone. Once it's done downloading, you can now click on open and it's going to launch the game. Now, of course, if it's the first time, it's going to have a couple of permissions. And then once the game is launched, it's going to give you some guidelines and some additional downloads are going to take place. All right. So that is basically how to get Warframe downloaded on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.